Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car DVR dashcam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car DVR dashcam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Kawa Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Kawa. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, Wi-Fi. Chipset manufacturer, M-Star. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 12 months. Weight, 0.67 kilograms. Number 4 is Vantru N5. Specifications: brand name, Vantru. Display, IPS. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Power source, corded electric. Warranty, 12. As the item number 3, we've selected 11.3-inch Car DVR 4K camera. Specifications: brand name, Brand Navy. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. GPS logger, external. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner. Frames per second, 30. Display size, 11.3 inches. Rear view camera, 1920 by 1080p. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is VFO A129 Plus. Specifications: brand name, VFO. Chipset, NT96670. Display, LCD. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. On the top of our list at number 1 we have K2 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Objpeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 11.3 inches. GPS logger, external. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Allwinner.